Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instacart Shopper, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Instacart Shopper website or download the Instacart app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed or the website is open, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. After entering your email, create a secure password. Ensure your password meets the specified requirements for security. Next, you'll be asked to provide your phone number. Enter your phone number and choose whether you want to receive SMS notifications. After entering your phone number, you may receive a verification code. Check your messages for that code and input it as prompted. Now, you'll need to provide some personal information, such as your full name and address. Fill in all required fields accurately. Read through and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've completed this, you may be prompted to add information for a background check. Prepare to enter details such as your social security number and date of birth. Submit the information and wait for the background check process to be completed. This may take a few minutes to a few days, depending on various factors. Once approved, you will receive a notification via email or SMS. After approval, log into your Instacart Shopper account to set up your profile. Complete your profile by adding any additional information required. Once your profile is complete, you can start exploring available orders. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface for a smooth shopping experience. You are now ready to begin your journey as an Instacart shopper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.